how to reset your password if you've forgotten on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how to reset your password if you've forgotten on Roblox. To reset or recover your account, it's very simple. All you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end. Also make sure to check your internet connection. So to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice. If you do it from your application as well, either way, the procedure will remain the same. So then on the web address bar, type in roblox.com and this is going to take you to the official web page of Roblox. If you don't have an account, then register yourself by entering all of these following information. And if you already have an account, then click on the login button located in the upper right hand side corner. So then to log in into your account, select the method. Either you can log in using your password, or you can log in with one-time password, or you can just use another device. So first of all, you'll need to provide in either your username, email address, or the phone number registered to your Roblox account. In case you've forgotten your password and you're unable to recover your account, then you can tap on forgot password or username, which is right at the bottom. Now over here, you'll need to enter in the email address associated with your Roblox account so that a verification code will be sent or a reset link will be sent so that you can recreate a new password and log in into your account. So basically type in the email address associated or registered to your Roblox account. After that, click on the submit button, which is right at the bottom. So here you go, there is an update stating that the instructions or a reset link has been sent. Click on the OK button, open up a new tab and then log in into your Gmail account. As you can see right over here, this is my reset link. So open up the email and after that scroll down a bit and click on the reset password button and create a new password. Now, as soon as you're done entering the phone number, click on the submit button located right at the bottom. So here you go, that you're logged in automatically, which means that the password has been updated and your account, along with that, your account is also recovered. In this way, you can recover or reset your password of Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.